Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Microsoft Word and signing into your Microsoft account so documents sync automatically. Once done, allow storage permission so Word can open local files and save edits. Tap the blue plus to create a new document or choose Open to load a file from OneDrive or local storage. Make sure to pick a template if you want formatted headings. This gets you immediately into editing without delay and prepares syncing for later steps. Now focus on editing and formatting. Tap the Home ribbon to change fonts, apply styles, and add bullets. Use the Insert menu to drop in images, tables, or page breaks. This preserves layout. For faster input, try Dictate to speak text or Draw to annotate with your finger or stylus. Once done, use Review to add comments or track changes when collaborating. Make sure to pinch to zoom and switch between print layout and mobile layout. Finish by saving and sharing. If you're signed into OneDrive, autosave keeps changes. Otherwise, tap Save or File Save as to export as docx or PDF. When sharing, send a link and set editing or view-only permissions so collaborators can work safely. If something goes wrong, first check your internet and confirm you're signed into the same Microsoft account, then update the app from Google Play. If sync still fails, close and reopen Word or clear cache to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.